how you can fix your Thrustmaster T80 pedals if they're not working. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, if you're using the T80 on a console, check the mode switch on the base of your steering wheel. Make sure it's set to the correct mode for your console, like PS4 or PS3. Now, ensure that all the cables are connected properly. Check that the USB cable is plugged in tightly and there's no damage. Loose or damaged cables can cause problems. Next, check if the game you're playing supports steering wheels. Some games, like GTA 5, don't support them, but others, like Gran Turismo, do. If you're on a PC, you'll need to download the drivers. Go to the Thrustmaster support website and find the drivers for your T80 model. Download and install them. After installing the drivers, open the Thrustmaster control panel. Connect your steering wheel to your PC using a USB cable. The control panel should show that the status is OK. In the control panel, go to Properties. Here, you can test all the buttons and see if the inputs are working properly. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Thrustmaster T80 pedals if they're not working.